I knew I'd see you guys somewhere. Yeah, boy.
Fucking made it.
What up, brother?
Welcome home.
Wow. Here we fucking are.
Was a good idea.
Everything's a great idea. Things are working out.
Welcome
Hello,
back.
buddy. Good to see you. Wow, dude. Not in the parking lot anymore.
Not in the parking lot anymore.
Fucking way. I cannot believe you can pay people to do this.
Hey, boys up the top, just so you know, the heli blew off some of the powder probably at the very top, so it might be a little variable, but it should be good as soon as you get past the first 50, 60 feet.
Yeah, 10-4. Thank you for coming up, Mr. Stahle.
Yep, bro.
It looks interesting. Can't see a goddamn thing up here.
Well, interesting's better than shitty.
Looks like the track is on there.
Is where?
On top of it. Like you move further over.
I almost feel like that's the exposure though, for sure. Can I get a photo to send my mom?
Yeah.
Yeah! Oh! Keep it mellow. Is it good? 10-4, drop it in 5. Fuck yeah, Stale.